Here's something that comes up on almost every construction and interior design project. FF&E. You hear it on every project call, but what does it actually mean? And why is it such a headache to manage? FF&E stands for furniture, fixtures, and equipment. Anything furnished, fixed, or installed in the building that isn't part of the structure itself. So chairs, light fixtures, HVAC units, custom millwork, elevator cab finishes, it's all there. The reason it's hard, every item has a vendor, a lead time, a delivery window, and an installation dependency. And some of it is OFCI on top of that. Owner furnished, contractor installed, which means the owner buys it, but the contractor receives and installs it. That handoff is where things tend to fall through the cracks time and time again. Let's take a look. Now, this is what FF&E tracking looks like in Layer. One record per item, vendor lead time, delivery dates, OFCI status, procurement stage, all in one space. No disconnected spreadsheet, no version confusion as things update in your project, and in your Revit model, the data here stays updated. You can even build in automations to reach out or coordinate new or adjusted lead times as unexpected things arise throughout the project. Pretty sweet. What's even more sweet than that is all of the live data you see in this table view keeps up with the changes that happen across your project. Not only that, but live changes to that table view data also updates in our document builder, spec sheet options, or any other document you decide to build in your project. All of this and every product in your table view for products can be tied live back to a Revit family in your Revit model. So as changes happen throughout, you're getting the propagation of data from the front end all the way to the back end deliverable, saving you time and headache and stress anytime timelines change on a project. Thanks for watching. We've got you covered here at Layer. If you've got some complex workflows, if you're on separated, disparate platforms, if you've got projects in Revit that you'd like to connect straight through to your end product deliverables, keeping track of all changes across projects, automating coordination, automating changes across pipelines, you name it, come check us out. We'd love to connect, reach out to support, or send us an email, check out our other videos, leave comments, leave us a like. Thanks so much. See you soon.